Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go over the best tips for personal finance and how you guys can actually build your wealth. In this example we're using Bart AI, so Bart AI will present us the summary of the best important working strategies out there. Let's start with the first one. The most important tip, number one, will be budgeting and saving, guys. It is very important for you to understand that you should track your spending, how much money you're spending every single month. You want to make sure that you're aware how much money you are making every month. And the best of all, what is the net? How much money you are left that you can put aside for either savings or investing. There is a particular rule over here that is 50-30-20, which means that 50% usually goes to your needs, 30% goes to your wants, and 20% is allocated towards savings and debt. If you don't have debt, well, you can replace debt with investments. Then you can focus on paying yourself if you're doing very, very well. It is very important to understand how you comprehend this information and how you automate the process. Once when you figure it out, you will be able to automate all these moves, so it will be much easier for you to generate much greater wealth. The second step, of course, is to focus on debt and credit. I hope not all of you have this issue, but I believe a lot of people do have this issue. So if you look at over here, you want to focus on minimizing the high interest debt. Everything that is 25, 7, 30, 90% interest, it should be your main priority to be cut it and paid off. Use credit cards wisely, pay them full and pay them on time. Build good credit. Credit score is always good. Pay bills on time and keep credit utilization low. Meaning if you have $1,000 credit limit, you not utilize 80, 90, 70, 80% of it. You utilize small portion of it, you pay some, and then you go back and use more credit. Compare loan rates. Some of the people might actually find that the interest rates have come down due to the economy, and then they might actually shop for cheaper loan. The next important step over here is to focus on investing. After you pay off your debt and now you have more money to save, you can actually allocate some part of it towards investments. Start early is probably one of the best advice that you will hear out there, followed by diversifying your portfolio and spreading yourself around different industries so you will be able to hedge when the market changes its direction. Invest for your goals, match your risk with tolerance and time horizon. You don't want to copy someone else's investment strategy. You want to make sure that everything makes sense for you, for your own life, and for your own goals. Bonus tip over here from Bart AI, guys: educate yourself, read books, read articles, watch videos on the topic, like this one over here. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and of course, guys, be always very mindful and always do your own research and due diligence.